Hello everyone, welcome to our Canvas ePortfolio tutorial video. So let's get started. So first we're going to click on create an ePortfolio after you've clicked on your account and then ePortfolios. Now if you've made portfolios in the past on Canvas, they'll appear right here. However, we're going to create a new one from scratch. We're going to click on this and it's going to say make an ePortfolio. We're going to title it however we want. We're just going to call this portfolio. Whenever you make your ePortfolio, you have an option to make it public or leave it as private. Now, if you make it as public, anyone can go onto your profile and see it through there. However, if you leave it as private, all you have to do is copy and share this link, and whoever has it can access your ePortfolio. So then we're going to be greeted with this page, and this page is a little confusing at first. However, it will make sense in the long run. So in order to create new pages rather than your home, you can organize sections and you can add sections through here. You can always do this. You don't have to revert back to this page in order to make a new section of your website. So we'll call this, I don't know, new section. And I believe you can add as many of these as you like. However, you shouldn't add too many because then it'll look too messy. And luckily there is a way to navigate and fix that. So let's say you wanted to categorize. So let's click on home and we can see that there's no content on here yet. So what we do to change that is we edit this page. And from here, this is where you're going to get most of your content from, or most of the content you can put onto your page. So we're just going to put this as welcome. And we're going to change this into a big header, center it. And from here you could do all sorts of things. You can maybe put a description. I don't even know what I'm doing. Type in for that, but you could put a description. You can add a table of context. So maybe, I don't know, 6x5 of something. You could add a YouTube video link. So you can insert media, either a link or a source. You can link a URL. You can remove a link. You can embed an image, insert a math equation. However, I doubt you need a math equation if you're making a portfolio. Left and right, you can switch them over, which is also very helpful. So say you want to put help here or want to move it over here. You can always change the font size. And let's say if you want to add an image, we can also come over here to the add content and we can go to image/file upload. And what's a little interesting about this is you have to click it, scroll down, and you can choose a file from here. So you could actually choose a Microsoft Word doc if you need, if you want to put content such as that on there. However, let's say we added a photo file. What would we do is we would select and upload the file after we put it on there. Let's retry it. So usually, generally, I'm just using this as an example. We're just doing the first photo that comes up here. So put select and upload. And then we'll see this photo right here. So then what we can do is drag it in. Have this goofy little photo here. We can center align it. And we can enlarge it and make it big. So remember to always save page when you're done. I don't know why there's two, but and you can go to organize and manage pages. Now remember when I was saying you don't want to add too many of these or get too cluttered? Well, you can organize and manage pages here. What happens is you can make a subpage. So we'll call this subpage. You guys can title it however you like. And with this subpage, put done editing, we can click it and we can have more content. So whenever we go to home, it greets us with welcome. Then we have a subpage that we can edit. And then if we go to a new section, notice that there is no other subpages that we previously saw on the home. So all we do is we're going to edit the page. We're just going to call this new page. Actually, we're just going to name it new section because that's what we named this. Save page. And now we can edit this. And that's basically the gist of an ePortfolio on Canvas. Now we also have other links and it gives us a little more information on how things work. But this is the basic gist of how ePortfolios work on Canvas. Now I didn't go into this content as well, but we can add rich text content. We can have an HTML embedded code here. We could have a course submission. So what's very helpful about the course submission is that whatever you turn on Canvas, turn in through Canvas, any assignments or work that you have, you can find in here, you can select it, and you can upload it to here. So if we were to have this as maybe our essays, I totally spelled that wrong. If we have this as maybe our essays, we can go through specifically pick out our essays and we can put them in through here and organize them. And that's the basic gist of how Canvas ePortfolios work. There's not a whole lot of content, but it's simple and it's easily accessible through or for teachers and students to use, and it's overall helpful for that reason.